How to unblock blocked WeChat accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can unblock your blocked WeChat account. So in order to unblock your blocked WeChat account, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, when you have a blocked account, it might be for a temporary period of time or it should be a permanent sometimes. So if it is temporary, then all you can do is wait patiently for 28 to 48 hours or maybe a week or a month, and accordingly your account will be unblocked. With that, you'll also be notified that why your account was blocked and all that, and accordingly you can recover your account. However, if your account was blocked for permanent reasons or you're still unable to after you've done several procedures, then you need to contact the WeChat support team. So for that, you need to exit out of your WeChat and then you need to open up a browser. On the web address bar, you need to type in wechat.support.com. And that's going to directly take you to the support center of WeChat. So go ahead and tap on www.wechat.com, contact us. So you can see the FAQ section right on this page. So if you need a help center, click on a link that says WeChat Help Center, and it's going to directly take you to the help center page. Here you need to go ahead and select the content accordingly and be prepared to provide personal information to verify your identity, such as your phone number, email address, and any linked account if you have so. Accordingly, you'll be able to unblock your blocked WeChat account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.